As mentioned in the past video, propagating variegated Cuban oregano from cuttings is a simple and rewarding process. You select some healthy stems, remove the last 2 leaves so they don't rot in the water, get a clean container with fresh water, use some fertilizer or root hormone, and wait for the roots to show. While it can be propagated in water, eventually it will need to be transplanted into soil for optimal growth. Once the roots of your Cuban oregano are established around 2 or 3 inches long, gently transfer the cuttings to a pot filled with well-draining potting mix. Hello planty friend, this is Marta with the Living Backyard. Do you have any recipes to use Cuban oregano? Let me know in the comments. I have not used it for cooking. I just admire the beautiful variegated leaves. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with another planty friend. Fill the pot about 2/3 full with the potting mix. Remove the Cuban oregano from the water and gently shake off any excess of water. Gently is a key word. You don't want to break your little Cuban oregano's roots. If the roots are overly long or entangled, trim them back slightly with a sharp knife or scissors. Make a hole in the potting mix with your finger large enough to accommodate the root ball of the oregano. It can be your finger or a pencil or something that is just large enough. Place the oregano roots in the hole and gently fill it with the remaining potting mix. Press down lightly to firm the soil around the plant. Gently is the key word. You don't want to break your little Cuban oregano's roots. Then water the oregano immediately after planting so the soil is nice and moist. Fun facts about the variegated Cuban oregano. Culinary uses. Cuban oregano is commonly used in Cuban cuisine. It has a strong earthy flavor with citrusy notes. Medicinal properties. Cuban oregano is believed to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antioxidant properties. Variegated leaves. The variegated variety of Cuban oregano features striking white and green variegated leaves, making it an attractive addition to any garden. Easy to grow. Cuban oregano, a relatively easy plant to grow, and is suitable for both indoor and outdoor cultivation. I took several cuttings to propagate from my Cuban oregano, so I have a good bunch. The plan is to transfer from water to soil in groups of 3 little rooted plants, so each new planter will look full and pretty. Companion planting. Cuban oregano is a good companion plant for tomatoes, peppers, and roses. Fertilize your Cuban oregano and most of your plants every 3 weeks or so in the growing season. If you have not watched the part 1 of this Cuban oregano propagation, I have the link in the description box. Don't miss it. For more gardening fun, watch the next video in your screen.